Welcome back to our channel, FASTCABLING. So is your network still running on the slow link? It is time to fast-track your data highway to the future. Today in this video, we are diving into the world of 10G networks and why upgrading might be the game changer that your system needs. The need for 10G connectivity stems from the escalating demand in modern networks, where data consumption has surged to unprecedented levels. With the proliferation of data-intensive applications and workflows, ranging from high-definition video streaming and virtual reality experiences to complex data analytics, traditional network infrastructure are struggling to keep pace. And these applications require substantial bandwidth to function seamlessly, necessitating the adoption of 10G connectivity to meet the ever-growing data demand. Upgrading to 10G offers a myriad of advantages that significantly enhance network performance. Firstly, the increase in data transfer speed is a game changer. With 10G networks supporting data rate up to 10 gigabit per second, there's a substantial boost in the speed of data transmission, enabling swift and seamless transfer of large file, high-definition media, and data-intensive applications. Additionally, 10G networks are characterized by low latency, reducing the delay in data transmission and enhancing overall network responsiveness. And this reduction in latency is particularly crucial for applications that demand real-time interaction, such as video conferencing and online gaming. Furthermore, the scalability benefits of 10G network are notable. As network demand grows, 10G provides a scalable solution, accommodating increased bandwidth requirement without compromising performance. And importantly, upgrading to 10G represents a form of future-proofing, preparing network for evolving data need and technological advancement. Fiber switches take on the role of efficiently managing high-speed data traffic within a network. These switches enhance connectivity and enable the seamless flow of data between multiple devices, ensuring optimal network performance. In real-world scenario, a 10G media converter also excels when there is a need to integrate diverse network components, where fiber optic cables shine in environments with high data traffic, such as data center or enterprise network, where efficient traffic management is crucial for overall network efficiency. And together, this component contribute to the creation of robust, high-speed data network tailored to meet a demand of modern connectivity. So this one right here is our 10G fiber media converter. It extends your network over 20 kilometers at lightning-fast data transfer rate of up to 10 gigabit per second over a single mode fiber, and also work with no problem when mixing 2.5G, 5, or 10G devices. It has a compact size and IP30 metal housing, and the 6 kV surge protection, and also the working temperature range is from 0 degree up to 50 degrees. And this one right here is our 8-port 2.5G unmanaged switch with 10G uplink. It is the perfect solution to dramatically speed up your network to support 2.5G. Also equipped with 8 RJ45 ports that provide a multi-gigabit speed up to 2.5 gigabit per second for high bandwidth workloads. And also future-proof of 10G Ethernet for mass data transfer and potential network expansion. It has a wide operating temperature range from 0 degree up to 40 degree and excellent heat dissipation. And this one in the middle is our 8-port 2.5G PoE++ switch with 10G uplink. It provides a cost-effective solution to increase your network's throughput and provide up to 90 watts of power for 2.5G devices. It is compatible with IEEE 802.3 BT standard, and it also serves up to 90 watts sufficient power and a gigabit network for supplying different IP devices in a convenient way. Last but not least, we have our 24-port fiber optic SFP managed switch. Now it is a standard product, feature power 10G uplink speed, and easy installation, high security, and flexibility of selecting SFP module, which give ease of management and investment protection for evolving business need. It has 16 gigabit per second dedicated SFP port, 8 1000 megabit per second combo port, and 4 10 gigabit per second SFP plus port for high-speed connectivity, and a total switching capacity of 128 gigabit per second. It is also a cost-effective solution for small to medium-sized network to achieve the performance of a 40 gigabit per second network by grouping the 4 10G ports together, and also redundant power input from 100 to 240 volt with overloaded current protection, which is ideal for enterprise-level network that require connectivity over long distance up to 60 kilometers. And a smooth transition to 10G network involves a systematic approach, so you should begin with a comprehensive network assessment, understanding the current infrastructure and future requirement to identifying potential challenges and opportunities for optimization. And this assessment informs decision-making for the next crucial step, choosing the right equipment. Organizations must carefully evaluate and select appropriate 10G solution based on their specific need, considering factors such as scalability, compatibility, and cost effectiveness. And once the equipment is chosen, an implementation strategy is vital. Opting for a phased approach allows for a seamless transition, minimizing disruption to ongoing operation. And this involves gradually introducing 10G components, such as media converters and switches, testing each phase thoroughly, and addressing any issues before moving to the next step. And if you want to know how to set up a 10G fiber network using the fiber media converter and the fiber switches, here's a video that you can watch. And the 10G network is not without its challenges. One major consideration is the upfront cost, as the initial investment in 10G infrastructure can be substantial. However, it is crucial to weigh this against the long-term gains in performance and productivity. Organizations must carefully assess their specific need and budget constraint to make informed decisions about the cost effectiveness of upgrading to 10G. And compatibility issues may arise when integrating 10G into existing infrastructure, particularly if there's a mix of legacy systems and newer technologies. So solutions involve thorough network assessment, strategic planning, and the incorporation of compatible components, such as the media converters, to seamlessly bridge the gap between different network types. Additionally, the rapid data transfer capability of 10G network raises security concern, necessitating robust measures to protect sensitive information. Implementing encryption protocol, regular security audit, and staying ahead of cybersecurity best practices are essential to mitigate potential risk. So don't let your network be a bottleneck. Upgrade to 10G and unleash the full potential of your digital experience. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for joining us. I'm going to see you in the next video.